Hey girl, what's up? I'm waiting on you to turn up. Hey girl, what's up? I'm waiting on you to turn up. Can I get a sauce?
Sauce.
Yeah. All right, queens. You already know it's gonna be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, honey. Let's get it into the video. Alright queens, so today I am going to be showing you how to apply this beautiful Blue Goddess eyeshadow. Hey, yes girl, I'm loving this blue and I'm loving this glitter, honey, this boom chicka pop. So queen, if you're ready to see how to apply this, then I need you to stick around. I got you, girl. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this lighter blue shade, and I'm using my favorite palette, the 35B palette from Morphe. Oh, and also before you start any type of eyeshadow, always make sure you put the concealer or the eye primer where your eye is, and you also set it with the setting powder. So that is key to doing your eyeshadow, because if you don't do that, like if you don't set your eye or prime your eye, then if you just go in with straight eyeshadow and apply that, it won't, like the colors like this where they pop and they're really vibrant, they won't pop and they won't stand out because you didn't set your eyelids. So queens, I need you to set that eye, girl. So as you can see, I'm just literally packing this color on my crease. And I'm just going like in a half circle motion. Like some people, they just go straight in and blend, but me, I just do it like this, girl. I love this palette. And okay, so you pack it and then you can blend it just a tad bit if you want to, like the top part if you want to, but you can just blend that whenever you feel like that's good enough. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking the darker blue shade and I'm going to be putting that like at the end of my eye, if you can see, and I'm doing the same pattern and I'm just making a half circle, but instead of going all the way up, I'm literally just focusing right there where it literally right here. I'm just focusing in this area, and when it starts to darken, you'll see the difference. So the reason I'm doing this is because I'm trying to create like a layer effect. I'm going in with 2 blues instead of 1 because I want the look to have depth and dimension. So I'm really just trying to pack it on, and then I'll start to blend. Then I'll start to blend, like this. So now you see the light and the dark. So next I'm going to be doing my favorite part, which is cutting my crease, girl. Okay, so I'm going to be taking this Clinique brush and I'm just going to be packing the concealer on. Okay, now y'all, it took me a minute to learn how to apply the concealer with this cut crease. So what you want to do is just use like your brush as a guide and a tool to just carve out your cut crease. It all depends on how high you want it or how low you want it. Like when you first start out, you're literally just gonna do a small cut crease to see what works for you. But me personally, I like to cut my crease high so that when I open my eyes, you can still see my eyeshadow. So me personally, I really like to take my cut crease up. I was going to say cup crease. But I personally love to take it up and as high as I can, so that you can see it, darling. So y'all, please just take your time with this. It's a work in progress, because when I first started this, woo child, I looked a mess, baby girl, I'm telling you. So once you feel like you have enough concealer, and once you feel like you've cut your crease enough, you just take a step back, you know, you look at it right quick, and then I'm going to blend that. Blend, 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 blend. All right, you guys, so next I'm going to be taking my good old Derma girl, my good old Derma blend, and I'm going to be setting my concealer, darling. I'm going to be setting this right quick. I mean, you really don't have to. It's just like a personal preference, but I really prefer to do that so that everything is just intact, everything is in place. Of course, you're going to be using the glitter glue for the glitter to stick and stay and hold, but you can never be too short. So now we're gonna get into the moment you've been waiting for, queens. Yes, ma'am, girl. So yeah, I don't have any glitter glue, but don't fear, don't worry. We're gonna still what? Finesse. We're gonna still what? Slay. Yes, ma'am, girl, I got you, queen. So I'm just gonna take this eyelash glue that I literally cannot stand. It's this white lash glue, and I'm just gonna put that right there, honey. I'm gonna just smack it right on there, child. And instead of doing it all at once, I'm just gonna like break it down in a little section. So I'm just gonna take it and apply it to my eyelid. Y'all, side note, I really hate white lash glue. Like, I hate it with a passion. I just don't like it. I'm a black kind of girl. I prefer the black lash glue. To me, it dries better. This has this weird like white residue. I just don't like it. Like, it dries like clear, but it's like the consistency for me. It's the Kiss one. It's like the consistency. I genuinely don't like it, but I mean, hey, to each his own. To each his own. You can still use it for other things. Even if you don't like a product for like initially what it's for, don't worry, you can still use it for something else. Next, I'm gonna take this beautiful glitter. Shout out to my mama because she got it for me. Hey, ma. But I'm gonna take this silver glitter and I'm gonna start packing that on my eye, girl. Literally, I'm just gonna do the same thing for this side. So when you feel like you have enough glitter, you can just go and add some extra, you know, glitter. You know, it might have been some patches you didn't fill in, but girl, you better make sure you got it. You got it, okay? So now you see that, girl. Woo, child, woo, queen. We cooking with some grease, honey, now. So next, I'm gonna go back into my favorite palette and take the lighter blue, and I'm gonna use this tapered crease brush. And what I'm gonna do is, you see the top, that blue that's like peeking out, I'm gonna take the top point of the crease brush, and I'm just gonna start to add on to that. I'm starting to pack that on. So what I'm doing now is just building that eyeshadow back up so that you can see it again. Eyeshadow is just, you blend, you build, and you intensify the look to the to where you want it to be and where you want it to go. I'm gonna merge the dark blue and the glitter together. So I'm gonna put the dark blue at the end, and as you see, it's gonna start darkening up and it's gonna give it some depth. So I'm gonna keep packing it. So now we're gonna be taking the first brush that I use for the light blue, and then I'm gonna start to blend it out at the top. I'm gonna go, notice I haven't gone here yet. I'm just gonna take it right here and I'm just gonna start blending it out. Blend it out, blend it out, blend it out. And you wanna like take your time with this part too, because this really makes or breaks your eyeshadow as well. Like if you could have like some really pretty colors on your eye, but if you don't take the time, child, to blend, woo, you gon', ooh, girl, you gonna be looking like this right here.
He needs some milk.
And I don't need you looking like that, queen, girl, no ma'am. So honey, take your time, blend, blend, blend for the gods. Yes ma'am, blend honey. I'm just gonna, the part that I didn't do, I'm just gonna stretch my eye a little bit and just like lightly pack it on. So now you're gonna take this other brush. I'm gonna take this other brush and I'm gonna take the fluffy side and I'm just gonna blend, 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 honey. Like I said, what? Blend till you can't blend no more, child. Yes, ma'am, girl. Blend, blend, blend. Woo, child. Look at that, girl. Look at that. All right, queen, so I'm gonna apply everything else off camera, my lashes, my face, my highlight, yes, yes, and I will be right back. Okay, here we go. All right, queens, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for sticking around for this video. If you'd like to see more of these videos, then I need you to leave a what? Comment down below. All right, queens, if you decide to recreate this look, then I need you to tag me, girl. Yes, honey, tag the queen, child. Let me see this beautiful look, girl. I have faith in you. All right, honey, until next time, peace.
Down.